me put your panties to the side.
Hey everybody, this is Victor Williams. You're watching my channel right now. This is the review on the Rocket Fish 8-pin Apple charger, also known as the Lightning cable. It comes in black. There is also a white version, but black is different, you know. 3 meters, a very long cable. This is a review to say that this cable is a very durable one, and it's actually of great build quality. And I can appreciate Rocket Fish for adding in features on this cable that Apple does not on theirs. As in the rounded outside tip right here, that's a very nice feature. And then right here, you see as the little part right here, it keeps it from bending and breaking right there, which is I really enjoy that feature a lot. It helps with the actual charger. Um, it charges super fast with this charger. I have to say I can charge my entire system from 0 to 100 in about 45 minutes with this charger. It charges so fast, and the charge sticks all day. Overall, this is a high quality product that I do suggest in purchasing. It was $17.99 at the local Best Buy. Cheap pickup.